Hey guys, so today it's gonna be a little different. My mom and I will be assembling some of my uncle's Sentai robots. We're actually not sure how we're gonna do it, but we're just gonna use some video as guides. So this is just one of the boxes. Ang bigat! Ay! Ang bigat. So, isa lang to sa mga boxes na meron siya kasi bagong bilhin naman. So, yeah, I'm not sure. Just like this one. Look at this, guys. I think he is almost done with this one. I don't know. This is just like this one. Gaya nito, hindi pa siya nakakabit. Look at this one. Ooh. Oh, wow. Check it out. See some parts here. But I think before assembling those robots with my mom, pakita ko muna yung ibang collections ng tita ko. And then, ito yung mga boxes papa-assemble sa amin. Ayan. I don't even know where to start. Alin nga ba dito? Teka lang. And then, over here. So messy kasi ayan yung mga ginagamit ko assemble. Look at this guy. Oh my god. Okay, dyan muna siya. Okay, so ayan yung mga ginagamit ng tito ko kung assemble. Even with this glue. And then, look at these. Parang before mag-assemble, gusto ko maglaro muna. Tignan mo, oh grabe. Feeling ko, mas mabigat pa sa akin to. No joke, mabigat. Or, ako lang nabibigatan kasi sa kapayatan ko. Mabigat nga. Dito na lang kami, guys, manonood ng guide. Kasi, yeah, para malaking TV. And then, dito kami sa baba. So, ito na yung part. Ayan. And then, yan, para madali makita. Alright, let's go! Okay. Ito yung makita natin. Ganyan yung finish. Kita ba? Ay! Hindi. Okay na yan. See. Dahil nahirapan na kami, guys. So, nagpa-help na kami sa tito ko. Ayan.